Hi. Let's take a moment now and go through a demonstration problem of how we would compare a corporate bond yield to a municipal bond yield. In gray is the problem before you. The corporate bonds issued by Johnson Corporation currently yield 8%. Municipal bonds of equivalent risk currently yield 6%. And the question asks, at what tax rate would you be indifferent between these two bonds? Okay, here's how I solve the problem. First, I've listed what the corporate bond yield is, and then I've listed what the municipal bond yield is of a security of equivalent risk. Now, what is the formula that we need to compare it? Well, here it is, right before you. A comparable rate would be achieved where the comparable yield times 1 minus the tax rate would equal the municipal rate. So rather than typing this out, I've gone ahead and worked this problem off to the side, so let me cut that in for you. So we would take the corporate bond 8% times 1 minus the tax rate, and that's what we're trying to solve for, and set that equal to the muni bond rate. So in this cell on row 11, I've done that for you. And from there, we're simply going to use algebra to solve it. Let me put an equal sign in here so we can see what we're doing. Okay, now I'm going to just simply solve it using algebra. The next step, of course, do the subtraction. Put the variable x on its side, and then we can solve for it. Okay, I'll put the equal as well. So we're going to take x would equal 2% divided by 8%, and the end result of that is obviously, I'll actually work it, not that that's hard, it's 25%. Put that in the correct format. Let's bold it, and there's our solution. So when we want to compare a corporate bond yield to a municipal bond yield, we need to consider 1 minus the tax rate. And in this problem, we're using algebra to solve for the unknown, which is the tax rate that we need. Thanks.